What's up, YouTube? Today we're flying to the Valley of the Sun to meet up with the Live Bearded team at their HQ in Tempe, Arizona. If you're unfamiliar, Live Bearded is their favorite men's beard and body care brand, founded in 2016 by two best friends, Anthony and Spencer. We're here to attend the 4th annual Running with the Beards 5K, a charity event for Phoenix Children's Hospital, and of course to have a pre-race day barbecue feast.
Yeah!
We get a surprise during the barbecue when they give everyone in attendance early access to their latest seasonal beard care scent, Skull. But more on that in a bit.
And Aaron, why don't you tell everybody where you came in from today?
Virginia.
Oh.
And we end the night with Aaron winning an award for having the longest, well, you'll see.
17 and a half inches.
It's a little chilly for Arizona. Virginia people who came in, this is...
Alaska Air is part of the One World Airline Alliance, along with many other airlines, including American Airlines. We booked a flight on Alaska Air using 12,500 Alaska Air miles, but actually flew on American Airlines aircraft. Either way, we paid $5.60 plus 12,500 Alaska Air miles to fly from Raleigh to Phoenix. If all of this miles and point stuff hurts your head, I know. But if you can figure it out, it's a great way to travel on a budget.
Fancy.
Stay in the second lane from right.
What up, y'all? Wild adventures to come. We're here in, where are we? Phoenix. Hot. So we're gonna go in and get us a, I ain't had coffee. I've been up for like
long enough.
12 hours, 13 hours. No coffee. I need a coffee. Let's go see what the Starbucks Phoenix S-Bucks is all about. Bikini beans, and she's in a bikini. Can't take me out in public.
We booked a room at the Moxy, a Marriott property, through the hotel side of American Airlines website. If you didn't know, you can book hotels and rental cars through airline sites and multiply your airline miles earnings. We earned 8,100 American Airline miles for booking this hotel through American Airlines website.
Oh, this is cute. Cute. Hi, y'all. Okay. These cute beds.
Oh look, it's a self-driving car.
Is that really a thing? The Golden Arches? We're at Taco Boys. This is so good. The smell of the grill in here, oh, I am so hungry. It's been a long time since I've seen a fresca. Look at this. That's the real deal right here. I'm boring. I just got a quesadilla. Huh?
All the Live Bearded boxes in there.
Hey. What's going on?
What are you guys doing?
How are you?
Good. You guys here to get some product, or are you here to check things out?
All of the above, and we're here for the 5K as well this week.
Right on. Where are you from?
Virginia.
Right on. Welcome to Arizona.
Thanks.
Fantastic. Yeah, pop on in there, say hi to the guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Sounds good.
Have a good one.
You too. Hey. Hey guys.
Coming to the barbecue tomorrow?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I'm Danielle.
I'm Todd. We're Aaron and Todd.
Oh,
I think
hi.
we talked on the
Yes, hi, Good to
phone.
see you guys. Hi, Danielle.
This is Michaela.
I'm Michaela. So this is just like, this is our main product line. This is everything that we carry.
All the
Yeah,
goodies.
so this is like a visual of everything in front of you with all the fragrances, including These are the most recent seasonals, and these are like the OGs. It's like the history of LB, basically, is what all that is.
I think Tombstone is, that's our jam.
I like Tombstone mixed with Deadwood.
Ooh. Oh, yes, they are very similar.
Yeah, they go well together. So if you're looking for like that, like deserty kind of smell, masculine smell, and you're kind of sick of just one, and you're sick of that one, but you just want something new, mixing them together, you get a whole new fragrance.
All right, guys, we're here in Phoenix, well, really Tempe, at Live Bearded HQ, and we're gonna have the Running of the Beards pre-game barbecue tonight with a bunch of guys and have some drinks. Then tomorrow we're going over to Kiwanis Park for the 4th annual Running of the Beards. It's a 5K, 3.3 miles?
3.1 something, I thought.
3 something. Then we're gonna get in the pool the rest of the day because I'm not gonna be able to walk. All right, let's go eat some barbecue.
But it's every single employee at Live Bearded that has worked their butt off to make this happen. So if you guys could do me a really, really big favor and give a round of applause and a shout out to everybody at Live Bearded. If there's anything we can do, come up to us. We'd love to shake your hand if we haven't already. And enjoy barbecue, hang out, let us know how we can continue to support you. Appreciate you guys. All right, come on, let's give one more round of applause.
Great.
Brotherhood, see your brothers out here. Stop, say hi, share a drink, share a sandwich.
I had a mac and cheese and a side of coleslaw.
Perfect.
Yeah. And then it's on the same order?
Yeah, the 3 of us will be on the same.
Okay. Yeah. Well, and then what about you? Can I have the brisket? And everything on that as well?
Yeah.
It's my spirit, and it's like my chest. So
nice.
Get a lot of energy.
All right, our first contestant this evening, Aaron L. Come on and join me on stage. This is Aaron Lasada.
Hey.
Oh, look at this big, beautiful beard. Come on up, Aaron. Aaron, why don't you tell everybody where you came in from today?
Virginia.
All the way from Virginia. Let's give a round of applause just for that travel distance, you guys. Speaking of distance, that beard is a mighty far distance away from your body and your chin. That thing is glorious. How long have you been growing on that beard?
8 years.
8 years. I go ahead and see your judges. They're going to get you all rated up. Give it up for Aaron. We got a tape measure somewhere. Dusty's going to get it right now.
17
that
and a half
is a
inches.
thing. This is a little chilly.
The categories for the beard competition are longest beard, softest beard, fullest beard, best styled, and best beard under 3 inches.
3 inches or under beard. Let's give it up for John Webb. John!
Woo! John!
On to the softest beard of the evening. Rod, come on up here, Santa. Look but don't touch. Joe back up here. Joe, bring those braids up here. You knew when you bring that thing up so nice tonight you were coming home with this trophy, didn't it? Girth Brooks. Round of applause for Grant. Grant! Got It Where It Counts award. Let's hear it for Aaron L.
Oh my God!
You got it where it counts, bro. Look at that thing. I'm not even surprised that's the winner for the evening on that. Here you are. Give
I
a nice
married
little
that
pose to
guy.
the beautiful beard.
Woo-hoo!
There we are.
Isn't that
And
crazy?
I feel a little bit weird about who I'm about to award this to. Thank you guys.
Congratulations.
Thanks, guys. Thank you. Aaron's gonna give us a rundown of all the scents. What have you got there?
Straight up, scent-free, just normal, wax smelling. Legend, and it says it has hints of sandalwood and vanilla. I definitely smell the spice of the sandalwood and then the lingering of the vanilla. Up next, we have Tombstone, sweet vanilla and cedar.
What does it smell like?
Sweet vanilla and cedar.
Okay. What does it smell like? This is executive beard butter. Smells like Cheerios. No, just kidding. But but that's what I mean. What is something that's relatable? This smells like velvet. If that makes any sense. You know how you can smell something and it smells green or it smells blue? That smells like velvet.
It does.
He's weird.
Oh, it's one of my favorites, executive.
Well, go ahead and do the next one.
Okay, American. American is cedar, vetiver, and bergamot. All right, you sniff it first.
Smells like barbecue.
It does. It's got that smoky note. It doesn't smell like campfire, and it doesn't smell like barbecue sauce.
It smells like,
It's
like charcoal at a
spicy.
barbecue.
It's charcoaly at a barbecue. It's very spicy.
Which is properly named American.
America. 1880. Y'all, this is our favorite. This is tried and true. 1880. We love 1880. 1880 is kind of sweet. Bourbon, bitters, and citrus. And then we have Canyon, which is juniper, cypress, and fir needle. Fir. Pine cones.
Pine cones.
Green and pine cones. All right, let's do Legend. Legend. All right, sandalwood and vanilla. I smell rose. I can taste that one.
It's flowery.
It's floral. That's the word. So check the link in the description below to Live Bearded's website, where you can purchase any of the beard products. You can purchase any of the body care products. And by the time this video goes out, there is a special release that we have had early access to. Sorry. It's a re-release of Skull. So you heard it here, not first, because this video won't be up for another month. But this smells like... It smells clean.
It smells like a man. Like
It's-
a nice manly man.
Do that. You do it to the camera. Okay, so remember, guys, they have beard care. So you've got beard wash, beard conditioner, beard oil, beard butter. Those are your staples. Then you've got your body care. You've got lotion, body wash, you have shampoo, you have conditioner, you have deodorant, you have bar soap. So you can stock up on all your stuff so that your travel bag is stocked, your gym bag is stocked. So that way you've got all natural, American-made, high-quality men's grooming products in your bag so that your... Well, I can't say so your balls don't stink. Oh, but if your balls do stink, they do have a utility spray. I don't see... Where's the utility spray? This is kind of like a body spray, and you can, you know, put it on or put it in the places where you might need to put it, but check the link in the description below, guys. Hit us up on social for any questions that you may have, and we will see you in the next one. What is that going to mean when we get back to Virginia? Yeah.